You know, these days there's a buzz about no-name lenders eager to lend to small businesses. Their offers cram radio waves, fill infomercial time slots, and stuff your mailbox full. The pitch is always a short-term business loan with a quick turnaround, with an astronomical cost-nothing-about-it that rolls off the tongue of the wing-tip-shoed banker. And while he sits in his temperature-controlled office sipping his latte and polishing his nameplate, smaller banks like us are quietly winning over his customers with a smarter approach to small business loans. So, how does a Bank-of-Cardiff loan work? Great question. Let's start with a traditional bank loan for $50,000. Say you're buying a work truck with those funds. Let's just imagine that it's a 5-year loan with a single-digit interest rate like you see advertised in shoe polish on big bank windows. The monthly payment is about $1,000, so the total interest cost over the 5-year term is $10,000. With me so far? Okay. Now let's say you want capital to expand your business with marketing, hiring, or general spending. Now a bank can't take as collateral to protect itself with that. You go see your banker, he gives you a list of personal and business financials to gather. It takes you a few days to put the mountain of paperwork together and bring to your banker. Days pass. Days turn to weeks. He's still working on it. Finally, after you've already forgotten about the loan application and long after the opportunity has passed, the phone rings. It's your banker, and the answer is delivered with a smile and a hint of sarcasm over the phone. It's a no, but thank you for banking with us, and I hope I've provided you with excellent customer service. You see, banks don't take risks these days. They're still reeling over their careless ways leading up to the Great Recession. Giving you access to $50,000 to spend as you see fit isn't their idea of risk-free lending, especially if you don't have 2 to 3 times that amount in your account at the end of each and every month. They also want your tax returns to show a profit. But you run a small business, and generally you pay out all the profits to yourself as a salary each month. Nutty bankers! So now you look on your desk and there are a few offers for business loans you received in the mail. You probably have an email or two about this product as well. One of the large envelopes is offering a lot of money in a very short period of time from Bank-of-Cardiff. Too good to be true? Perhaps not. You see, our loans for general business use or working capital are simple. If you average $50,000 in monthly deposits into your bank account, we can lend you $50,000. Unless your account is loaded with NSFs or every month ends with a negative balance, you're on your way. But we're taking risk since we're lending you almost 10% of your gross sales, not profits. So we can't spread the funds out over 5 years, but would likely spread it out over 12, 18, in some cases 24 months. The payments are debited daily or weekly from your bank account to let us know very quickly if something is amiss. We want to be proactive in helping you manage your debt. You end up paying $10,000 in interest on the loan, albeit over a shorter time period than the bank loan we discussed at the start. But you can do whatever you wish with our funds. Now, with most clients, time is of the essence, as I'm sure you'll appreciate. The banker dragging his feet loses. You need this money now to take advantage of a big discount on inventory, on materials. You have to make payroll. 20% interest costs don't mean much when you're getting a 30 or 40% discount on a container sitting at the port. If you turn inventory quickly, it's a fair price to pay to stock the shelves before a big sale. So, what are you waiting for? Call 888-234-0166. That's 888-234-0166. Business loan advisors are standing by.